Good morning, good morning. It's day 2 in Japan and the peeps are ready.
Japan!
There we go. The outfit check, new shoes, new bottoms, new tops. But today, we're not going to Kyoto as promised yesterday kasi nabitin sila sa shopping and medyo late kami nagising dahil matagal siyang natulog.
No, not me.
Hindi itadakimasu, gutom nga na. Then, speaking of gutom, hindi pa kami nag-breakfast kasi wala kaming food sa apartment. Favorite car in Japan. Let's go in. Good morning. How are you? You good?
Thank you so.
Alam mo yung lahat ng taong nandito kumakain. So lalong nakaka-gutom. Kasi wala pa kami breakfast and it's already 11 AM. So yeah, at least we had a huge dinner kahapon sa A5 Wagyu na kinain namin kahapon. So medyo nandito pa naman. But still, nakakagutom pa rin lahat ng pagkain dito. And you know, yung presentation ng bawat food dito and they're cooking it right in front of you is just absolutely mouth-watering. Makapal yung katsu.
Pork cutlet.
Ayan. Sobrang laki na. Kasi malaki. Malaki nga. Laki guys.
Love it. Spicy is the best.
Kahit na hindi namin in-order yung pinakamalaki kasi ang rule nila dito is one person, one order. So hindi ka pwede mag-order ng isa lang na malaki tapos mag-share kayo. So you have to order. So hindi kami kumuha ng pinakamalaki. But even that, laki pa din. Kahit yung medium size nila. And it's good. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. So anong feedback mo with the tonkatsu?
Love it.
First, the pork has no porkiness, if you get what I mean. Like, it's a very clean tasting pork. And it's very tender for its size.
Ako, as a non-chef and hindi ako very professional with food, I just eat and I say if I like it or not. I like it. It tastes like pork tonkatsu. It's just bigger. So for me, it's still a good place if you really want the pork tonkatsu, especially if you want big servings.
Yes.
Doon yun. So, honestly ako, I can't really differ the difference of a pork tonkatsu. How it needs to be super good. Parang yun lang yung sa akin. Siya kasi very technical to sa pagkain. Pero siya sa akin, it's still pork tonkatsu. Nothing really special. I could taste that taste sa restaurant ni Kelvin. By the way, Keiru Izakaya is now open in Clark. If you want authentic Japanese food, from sushis to ramens to fried food, Keiru. Siya ang chef doon.
Isang matcha, isang
Hokkaido.
Isang matcha, isang Hokkaido. Vanilla ice cream na for dessert.
How much is it? Taste the favorite thing? Okay.
So yun yung legit matcha ice cream. Have a taste. Have a taste. Bagal ah. Ito.
Love it!
So guys, dito lang tayo kasi we are looking for some of the accessories. Sa mga hindi nakapansin, I'm using a combination of the iPhone and the DJI Nano, which is my newest backup camera. And this is what it looks like. So I already have one before I went to Japan, so kailangan ko lang ng extra SD card. This one comes in an internal memory as well, and pwede mo lagyan ng SD card. So I also bought an adapter right here, the memory card. So this is what I got, quick release foldable. This one works with the GoPro accessories, right? And this is the Mic Mini, which is compatible with the DJI Nano. Dami naming nabili para sa'yo, Zach.
Yeah.
Yung pinakamalaking bill dito, pero well, actually may budget naman kasi si Zach, diba? Kasi binigyan siya ng lolo niya ng cash for him to buy his own toys. So, nandito yung mga gusto niya, Jurassic, Godzilla. By the way, yung Jurassic Park, kasi parang 3 days ago, before we went here in Japan, galing kami ng SF. Same na toy. Okay? Pero yung presyo ng toy na yon, specific toy of that one, I think it's around 10,000. Dito, 4,000 lang. And that's with tax pa. So, pag tinanggal mo pa yung tax, 10%. So, sobrang laking kinamura. Buti na lang, kahit nung iniiyakan niya ako nung time na yon, na gustong-gusto niya yung toy, hindi ako nag-push through. Pero,
buti na lang meron dito.
so, talagang totoo yung good things come to those who
Wait.
Look at this, guys. Kanina pa ako na curious tong Moflin na to. It's like a pet. Hindi ko rin alam kung para saan talaga siya. And try mo siyang hawak-hawakan, mag-react siya. See? Kala mo totoo siyang pet talaga. Grabe yung Japan, no? Yung wala ka ng... Ito, maganda kasi dito. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa pet. Diba? Cha-charge mo lang siya. 59,000 yen. 54,000 baht free. Tatry namin tong cheese coin na sikat na sikat. Right.
Here. Oh, I like it. Ooh, laki ng cheese.
Ito mo, ilang calories yan, no?
What's the cheese?
Wow.
Thank
Thank you.
Ayan, dapat may cheese.
Sure. 500 yen, that's 200 pesos for you. Kaya, guys. Feeling namin, no? Habang inintay namin sila. Tingin nga. Ayun, no? That's us. Try natin to. Ay, nako! Malas talaga, pre. Sabay. Para kay Zinya. Kunin natin yan para kay Zinya. Let's go. One time. Konti na lang. Ayaw eh. Suko na ako. Last na lang eh. Wala par, malas. Malas ka? Yung katabi ko nakakuha. Tingnan natin ito kung makakuha niya.
Ilang token?
100. Pinusundot lang niya. Para malaglag. Hey! There. Ready go? Perfect. Go. No way! Just a little bit. Didn't count. So may balak si Kelvin ngayon, guys. Actually, this is unannounced. Ano balak mo, par?
Wala ko sana mag-propose kung kaya.
So ngayon, nakaiwalay kasi yung girls namin. So, maghahanap kami ng ring. Mabilisan lang. And we'll see kung meron. Propose na.
May jewelry shop dito.
Ang balak na is magpa-propose tayo. Actually, alam mo yung surprise na lang. Just look into the video kung saan siya magpa-propose. But for now, let's look for a ring. Dito na kami. And I think we found it. Pero hindi pa namin sure kung ito na ba talaga yun. Negotiation sa price. Pero magbibigay doon sila ng special box. And kinakabahan kami kasi baka nandyan lang yung sila kit Trish. Okay, guys. Si Kelvin, kinalimutan niya yung passport. Kailangan kasi yung passport para tax-free. So, fortunately, nandito yung pinakamagaling niyang kaibigan. So,
Oh, very nice.
The best, yeah.
Rolex.
Yeah.
Very cool. Let's make it up.
Miyu.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Miyu gave us a very good option here. Very good ring. See? And this is soon to be yours, Trish. Sorry, umiiwas kami ngayong araw kasi we're looking for the perfect ring for you and we found it here. Look at that, guys. Wow. Ganda.
Thank you very much. Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
So we're done, guys. We finally found the perfect ring. Okay, so I think tomorrow is the day. We're gonna propose at Kyoto Gates. Okay guys, quick update lang. Nakakuha tayo ng AGLT25 na tennis shoes. This is what it looks like. Foam na yung sa baba. Ayan. Tapos parang sock itong sa taas sa malambot. So, it's a mix of comfort, stability, and magandang grip sa baba. Ayan. So, if we got it, ayan siya. Good news, we're here in Nike.
Bagay.
Yung pinaka-hinahanap kong comfortable shoes, I finally found it here. And it's actually the last size. This is the last stock they have, the size 10 of the Vomero Premium. Nakakalabas lang last week. Vanna is already wearing hers. How do you like it so far?
Grabe, lumulutang.
Lutang ka.
Si Kelvin matagal na lumulutang. Ready na yung paa niya.
Wait, I need to go to the
So I'm gonna try this.
Okay, I'll call again. 49
Let's try it.
What?
Baka itapon mo yung New Balance, ha? Sorry, di ba?
Grabe! Solid!
Baka itapon mo yung New Balance.
Uy! Uy!
Size 9.
Pero guys, so far solid. Solid siya, nakakagulat. This is the things na hindi mo na-feel nung nag-on cloud ka.
Oo, hindi.
Pero ito, grabe. Actually, parang akong parang may jelly ace yung pa ako. This is not, hindi ako naging OA, hindi ako nag-endorse ng Nike, pero this one's absolutely insane. Dude, sobrang
Pero US ano?
lambot niya, as in. Pag sinabing malambot, malambot, talagang malambot. Thank you.
You could cut this one.
Oh,
Ano ba bata?
ano, labas na natin yung sakyan natin.
Labas na natin.
Tara, tara.
Labas mo na yung ano.
Nahuli yata sila, paro. Nahuli sila ng polis. Oh. Hummer with dual exhaust sa side. Triple double exhaust. Oh, nasa ka-lower din siya, guys. Pasok tayo dito sa parang vintage shop nila na may mga toys. So we have vintage toys dito. Action figures. Hi. Hello. And cars too. They have it here. See? For sure. Vintage cameras too.
Only a vintage shop, so no frame, no return, okay?
Thank you. It was good to see yung mga vintage, no? Pero medyo on the pricey side sila. But nonetheless, still a good view. Lalo na kung free naman pumasok sa vintage shop, it's always a good shop. Yeah. Number plate Fukuoka.
You have purchased the correct item. Please touch the checkout button on the bottom left.
Okay. Sa'yo yun,
Please select your payment method.
Cash.
Please put money into the slot.
So we're inside the ramen shop. So this is 1 hour and a half of waiting, and hopefully it's all worth it. Perfect. Thank you. Wow. unang tigil pa lang. Grabe guys.
Totoo.
Ang creamy nga.
Solid girl.
Totoo ang balita.
Ito
Totoo.
ang balita. Creaminess.
Wow.
Kapangyaan na yun.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So far guys, super okay na okay dun sa ramen shop na to, no? Tingnan mo, only 7 people could sit. Tas ang pilahan nandun sa dulo pa. And yeah, it was a good experience, no? Eating a Japanese ramen in Japan from a Japanese chef. So what more could you get for yun yung actual Japanese restaurant? I mean Japanese ramen talaga at its best.